Hey guys, John here from Speak English with John. Today we will learn the meaning and usage of the word address in English. There are two ways to use this word. First, as a verb. Secondly, as a noun. When used as a noun, the word address simply entails the details of where a building is, the building number, road name, town, city, etc. And a very common conversational question is, what's your address? This question asks about your house details, such as location, house number, road name, town, or the city you live in. And let's see some examples. I will send you my new address. Will you give me her address, please? Her address was 57 Park Crescent. Please give your name, address, and date of birth. Let me know in the comment section below. What's your address? When used as a verb, the word address means to write a name or an address on an envelope or a parcel. A parcel arrived addressed to Emma means Emma is the recipient of it because it was addressed to her. If something is addressed to you, means your name is stated on it because you are the recipient of it, say of a letter, an email, a postcard, or a parcel, right? Again, the verb address can also be used to mean to deal with a problem. We have to address the problem before it gets worse. So to say to address a problem simply means to try to solve it, to look into an issue, to look into a problem, to try to find solution or lasting solution to it. And most excitedly, we use the verb address in formal situations to mean to speak. So to say to speak to someone or to give a speech to an audience. Today she will be addressing a major conference in Bangkok. So we use the verb address to mean to speak to someone or to give a speech to an audience, say in classroom, in a meeting, or in a conference. And most importantly, we can use the verb address to address a person. To address somebody as something is formal in English, means to say to give someone a particular name or title when you speak or write to them. And here's an example. Do you think I should address him as Mr. Benson or Albert? Let me know in the comment section below. How do you address your best friends? I hope you found some value and learned something. If you did, I'm happy. Please show me some love by hitting that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss out on my weekly interactive English lessons to help boost your fluency, confidence, and speaking skills. Let's keep in touch.